USS Bullhead, SS-332, lost on August 6, 1945, with the loss of 84 crew members in the Lombok Strait while on her third war patrol when sunk by a depth charge dropped by a Japanese Army plane. Bullhead was the last submarine lost during World War II. USS Flyer, SS-250, lost on August 13, 1944, with the loss of 78 crew members while on her second war patrol. Flyer was transiting on the surface when she was rocked by a massive explosion, probably a mine, and sank within less than a minute. 13 survivors, some injured, made it into the water and swam to shore. 8 survived, and 6 days later, friendly natives guided them to a coast watcher, and they were evacuated by the USS Redfin. USS S-39, SS-144, lost on August 13, 1942, after grounding on a reef south of Russell Island while on her third war patrol. The entire crew was able to get off and were rescued by the HMAS Katoomba. USS Harder, SS-257, lost on August 24, 1944, with the loss of 79 crew members from a depth charge attack by a minesweeper near Bataan while on her 6th war patrol. Harder had won a Presidential Unit Citation for her first 5 war patrols, and Commander Dealey was awarded the Congressional Medal of Honor posthumously. Harder is tied for 9th in the number of enemy ships sunk. USS Cochino, SS-345, lost on August 26, 1949, after being jolted by a violent polar gale off Norway, causing an electrical fire and a battery explosion that generated hydrogen and chlorine gases. In extremely bad weather, men of Cochino and Tusk, SS-426, fought to save the submarine for 14 hours. After a second battery explosion, abandoned ship was ordered and Cochino sank. Tusk's crew rescued all of Cochino's men except for 1 civilian engineer. 6 sailors from Tusk were lost during the rescue.